Hey, fourth graders, welcome back to poetry. This is lesson 10 today, and I have to tell you, it's probably one of my favorite lessons. The poems that the students, you guys, but past students create after this lesson are usually my favorite. So I can't wait to show you here. So today we're going to talk about using comparisons to convey feelings. One way to put feelings into a poem is to say what the feelings are like. Compare them to something. Don't just say how you feel, show how you feel by using things in the world that bring about those feelings. For example, when you guys see puppies, what do you think? What's your feeling? Come on, happiness. Oh, he's so cute, right? Rainy days, if you're not in a good mood, of course, rainy days can make you feel like you're blue or sad. It's just, that's what rainy days are. And if they're being conveyed in a poem, you might think rainy day, sad day, okay? Puppies, oh, so happy, joyful. So you want to think of some things that make you have that feeling. And instead of saying, I feel happy, talk about a day spent with puppies, and people will know that you're happy. Remember how we learned about explicit and implied? Today, I don't want you to be explicit. I want you to be implying how you feel by using something in the world that definitely makes other people think that way. In doing that today, your poem is going to be called an In My Heart Lives poem. What is in your heart? Without telling me the emotion itself, never use the emotion in the poem at all. Without telling me the actual emotion, make it so that me or anybody who reads it would go, oh, this poem is about happiness. Oh, this poem is about fear. Oh, this poem is about sadness. You're not allowed, though, to use the word, one of the emotions. So hopefully these examples I got for you, they didn't do that. They're not supposed to. We'll talk about it. Here's the first one. So remember, your poem is going to be titled, Inside My Heart, okay? Inside my heart lives 1 birthday party, 2 jazz bands, 3 wrestling puppies, 4 dancing birds, 5 laughing babies, 6 blasting spaceships, 7 lucky fireflies, and a sky full of stars. How's this person feel? They are feeling pretty happy, but they never said it. Now, you do not have to do this counting thing, okay? As a matter of fact, I don't want everybody doing this counting thing. It's cute sometimes, but don't think you have to follow that. Let's look at another example. Inside my heart lives black fiery flames engulfing everything in its path. Black holes opening up in my soul, devouring all my happiness. Now, they mentioned an emotion, but this is not how they feel. They feel sad. This is one of my former students, actually. Quite a long time ago, so nobody probably remembers Jacoby, because I believe this was about 6 years ago or so. Love it. He never told me he was sad, but using these visuals, he used things that make you feel sad. You know, flames engulfing everything, black holes in his soul, devouring his happiness. Wow. He definitely showed me, not told me. All right. So before you start yours, I want you to pause the recording here and fill in the line just out loud, just to get practice. So if I said to you to say right now, pause and say, inside my heart lives, and think of something happy. Okay, I might say, inside my heart lives giggling babies. Pause me, you try. All right, welcome back. Try it again. Inside my heart lives, this time something sad. Inside my heart lives a gray and rainy day. Your turn. Good job. All right, next one to try. Inside my heart lives, this time something angry. Inside my heart lives, oh goodness, I'm struggling with the angry. Well, I'll do like a teacher. Inside my heart lives students who never do their homework. That can make me angry sometimes. How about you? Pause me, try it. All right, guys, good job. In order to start this lesson, you are going to go to the new, the new slides that are called Poetry Lessons 9 through 16. Today, you're going to be doing Lesson 10, your Inside My Heart Lives poem. Remember, do not say the emotion that you're going to write about. Decide your emotion and then write about it being very descriptive And everyone start their poem with, "Inside my heart lives." All right, guys, good luck. Can't wait to read them.